For the right vehicle, check out the 2019 F-Pace. The first Jaguar luxury performance SUV brings together sporty handling and dramatic beauty with everyday practicality and efficiency, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, low tire pressure warning, power windows. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.